You guys, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here today. I want to do a Halloween wreath for this project, and I got some greenery last year, like after Christmas, and I think it was like 10 cents for each stem, I guess, of leaves. Anyways, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I painted them and I used some glitter glue, and then after we put that down, we're really gonna, do it up. So if you're interested, join me on this episode. It's gonna be fun. All right, the first thing you want to do is get one of these metal wreaths. It can be a small one or a big one, doesn't really matter, it's up to you. This is a big one because I already had it, so I was like, whatever, I'll just use this. Then I got these leaves like a while back, okay? So, obviously they're fake, and I got them at, I think, the Dollar General, like around Christmas time last year. They were like 10 cents a piece. So I got them and I spray painted them black, and then I went over them with this glitter glue, okay? So some of them are teal, some of them have an emerald green, see? All right, so we're gonna take these leaves off of the little stems. You should just be able to pull them right off, but if not, this is when some wire cutters would come in real handy. And you don't have to do all of this. You can just get some regular green leaves if you want, or whatever you want really. But I've had these for a while. I was gonna do something else with them, and then I just never did. So anyways, now that we have these, and see, like I said, they're pretty decent size. So they're gonna take up a nice amount of room. All right, so then you're gonna take your glue gun and you're gonna start gluing them down. Okay, down to our last one. So now that we have that done, and we can clean up any little glue marks later as I keep messing with it. God dang it. Okay, so once you have this part done, okay, right, isn't that cool? Now you can move on to the next part, and again, as always, this is optional, but I want to add a little bit of sparkle, you know me. So I have these little branches here, and I've already cut a few, but I was thinking, maybe we could, tuck some in here and there, just to see. I freaking love these wire cutters. I've never had any, and I'm so much happier now. It's been a great life choice for me, making good decisions. Okay, I think what we'll do is we'll just, lube it up a little bit here. Oh shit, we're dripping. Whatever it sticks to in there, cool. Okay, so for this one, I think I'm going to tuck it in there first. And then I'm going to glue it on the back side. Okay. We can do a couple more, I think. All right, I think we're gonna finish it off up here at the top with 2 more, and then that's it. Okay, I know you can't see the whole thing, but this is it so far, and we can fix it up later. You know, like adjust the little branches. I have these little bones, and I have these little skulls, okay? And they're all made out of foam, and I thought maybe we could make some little skull and crossbones, you know, just like kind of throughout. So I think we'll go ahead and do a couple of those. So I'm just gonna put a blob of glue right here, pop this baby right on down, okay? And then, well, what is the deal here? Is he moving? Okay. Then we'll go ahead and put one bone down. Right there's fine. And let's see how it goes over. I guess okay. Okay. So I think I'll do that on the opposite side as well. So let me scoot this over, oops, so you can see. So what, like right about here? Okay. And the other bone. Not really a great cross, but it'll work. Okay, I have enough bones that I can do 2 more. So I think we'll go like right towards the bottom here. Okay. All right. Yo, what the fuck is a wombat? Do you know? I got you covered. So today for your animal fact, we're going to talk about the wombat, and it is a marsupial. They live in Australia. They're small but fast. They can go about 25 miles an hour, and they have a really slow metabolism. It takes them about 2 weeks to digest a meal, but that is helpful for them because they live out there in that hot, dry climate. Now, are you ready for this shit? Literally, okay? So they poop in cubes. All right. The reason for that is because if they poop like normal, it might roll away, and they're trying to mark their territory. So if their poop goes in an area that's not theirs, you know, maybe somebody else thinks it is theirs, and it's a whole thing. So they just poop in cubes. Okay. Also, check this out. If a predator is trying to get into one of their burrows, they can block it with their big ol' ass. And if that doesn't work and the predator gets in, they can smash its skull with its ass. Yeah, that's some freaking power. The last thing I want to tell you is that a group of them is called a wisdom. Yeah, a wisdom of wombats. I also have some little skeletons that I thought we could use, maybe up towards the top. So I'm going to go ahead and clip off this little hooky thing. Okay, so before I do anything with the skeletons, I forgot, I made this bat. It's just out of cardboard, and then I used some like vinyl paper over it. But you know, I want to use this like, you know, up here maybe, something like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this baby down. It's upside down, but it's kind of hard to see, but you know, that's how bats are. They're hard to see, little shit. Okay, so now we'll move on with our skeletons. And I think, oh, this is the wrong one. Here we go. I think I like the idea of it climbing, you know, up there towards the top. Oh shit, did not mean to do that. Broke his whole arm off. Well, okay. So you must be gentle when you're bending these dudes. Okay, we're gonna glue one little hand down. So I think this guy's just gonna sit right here. All right, so now I got this guy posed, you know, like he's just kicking back. And I'm gonna put him right here. He's just gonna be chilling. Now, I also have these little spider and bat rings. You see? But it's a ring. So I thought I'd take a couple of these for color. Cut that ring part off. Okay, so we've got that ring part cut off. And I just want to put these guys down. Let me move this so you can see. I'm putting him right here. So he's like kind of coming up behind her, under this guy's legs. Oh, he's got a broken bone. Well. And then I've got a couple more. Okay. So here's this side. And then you have this. Of course, I'm going to show you when we're done. And then I want to do one more thing. And that is, I have a little bow with some skulls. We could probably put, I'm going to snip these off. I think we can put him like right there, huh? Yeah. Huh. Super cute. But you know what? I do think one thing. I think that the bat, I think it needs some eyes. So let me go grab some eyes for it real quick. You know what? I was just thinking, I'm not going to use these other bows on anything. So guess what? I'm going to take this little skull that's on here. Oh, look at that. He just popped right off. Holy shit. And I am just going to... Oh yeah, I'm going to put his face right here. Look. Oh shit, I know you can't see it that great, but hold on a second. Huh. Okay. I think that's it, guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and call it. Let me show you what he looks like. Can you see him? It's kind of freaky. So anyways, thank you guys. I really appreciate you coming to the show. I think this turned out pretty cool. I wasn't really exactly sure what was going to happen with this. I just knew I wanted to use these leaves and skulls and skeletons and stuff. So yeah, I really like it. I hope you guys had fun, and I really look forward to seeing you on the next one. I can't wait to show you this thing I got coming up for you. It's going to be awesome. Love you guys.